welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about SpeechPad and how to use it. So before we start the video, I just want to tell everybody to watch the video until the end to fully understand the thing. So SpeechPad is an accurate, affordable transcription by real people. You can do $1.20 for a minute, and you can actually order and you can also work for them. So what you do is you submit your audio or a video to get a transcript, and you get time synchronized for caching and toggleable. So they make you the like you have to first do it and get a transcription, and then you can get hired. So there's the customer reviews, and their corporate customers include AAA, Amazon.com, LinkedIn, and more. Interested in becoming a transcriber, you can learn about their team and you can start applying for a job. But however, they're not accepting any new applications at the moment. So how it works is so easy. There's gonna be like orders that you're getting, and you have to like read them aloud and send them to the job board, and then they will eventually pay you for $1.20. So they can do like 10 minutes, and they can do it for like 20, 30 minutes. It depends on the job that you're getting, but it's not a big amount of money. However, you can still make passive amounts of money. The qualifications that you need is some like you need to do like some background check and make sure that you're the safest person. And also, you need to have a good rating when you start working, like when you like actually work with clients, so that you can like make more money. And getting paid is so easy. You can earn between $0.25 to $2 per minute. It depends on the experience that you have. And basically, that's it for the video. However, I just want to go over the jobs that SpeechPad have. And again, you can just apply. However, there's a high demand, so when you're watching this video, you're probably going to be able to apply. But yeah. So $2 to $5 translators pay per minute. Pay is based on minutes of audio or video. And transcribers pay between 25 cents to $2.50. You can also see that there's a live chat here. You can start like chatting with people if you have any questions. Make sure to create an account and sign in, and it will help you. And you can start making passive money by just transcribing. And yeah, so that's basically it. They send you a script and you read it aloud and you send it to them. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.